Hello everyone, you're watching John FX, and finally I'm back to Gibraltar and can resume my videos. Guys, I know a lot of you were waiting for my videos, and I have been a little bit busy in November, was away in the UK for, yes, pretty much the whole month, and didn't have many trades, but still a few. Okay, so in this video I'm going to share with you the results for November, also December, and we have still another week in December before New Year, and this week we will see if I will go for some trades or not, because I just want to warn you guys, at this time of course it's better just to relax, right, have some fun, holidays, and back to trading. I would say the best time usually would be somewhere middle of January or even February. So we will see how it goes. I might just have again few trades, just like I did in November, and a full mode, trading mode, probably from the middle of January. I also have another small trip in January at the beginning of the week. So probably no trades at that time, but I will try to make videos, guys, every weekend, usually Sunday. Saturday or Sunday, and I keep you updated, okay? So, and of course, you can join my free Telegram channel. Just want to show you once again that you would know how my channel looks like, because there are some scammers out there. Nothing to do with me. I only have one official Telegram channel, which you can see right now is Jana FX, exactly Jana FX, and that's pretty much it, guys. That's the channel, and my signals right now, you see, that's what they look like. Okay, so as you know, if you're first time watching it, I'm repeating all the time, guys, for those of you who are watching for the first time, I'm placing the orders with the EA, and that's the only what I offer. If you would like to subscribe to EA, it's a very small amount, and it's just easier to place the orders because I use that EA to place the orders. But you can place the orders manually, obviously, because I do use very often pending orders. Sometimes I do have instant trades, which are probably going to do more sometime in January after I'll be back full time trading. And at this moment, it's mostly just pending orders. You can see, guys, this is December, and it just goes and goes. At least one setup I was sending to my Telegram channel. Okay, usually it starts from one setup, but it could be two, three, even more. So that's it. It's absolutely free, guys. Once again, if you would like to join, you are very, very welcome. If you just want to watch it or follow, it's up to you. It's all at your own risk. Remember, Forex trading, right, especially gold trading, is a very risky. Okay, so use the lowest possible lot size if you decide to follow my trading strategy. Okay, so I'm just sharing with you what exactly I do, where I place orders. So now the results. Okay, guys, as you can see right now, I have absolutely nothing's floating, and I want to show you the account history. This is for December, and I want to show you straight away in my FX book here. And as you can see, guys, so this is November. It shows, remember the previous month, October, that was quite successful month, 90,000 I made, but I did a lot of scalping there, instant trades. Okay, there were mixture of my usual pending orders and instant trades. In November, that's where I was very busy doing other stuff, and pretty much all the trades were my pending orders, the ones I sent you to through Telegram. I shared with you guys through my Telegram channel, and I did not have any scalpings of instant trades at that time. You see, guys, so that's, I think, the lowest this year. If you see from January this year, it's actually the whole 2023. I had 8,000, and November was about, yes, you see, that's that's what where I'm doing part-time, just part-time trading, and with my usual lot was only 2 lots per starting trade. Okay, and now in December, as I have returned from my trip, I could place a bit more trades, which you also could see in Telegram channel, sending more setups, and as you can see, the result is much better than it was November. So part-time compared to part-time plus. Okay, so this was a little bit more opportunities for me to actually get to my computer and watch during the day. So and that's the result right now. Yeah, let's see how this week goes, the end of the week, because gold is crazy. Unfortunately, I missed some really good moves, but still could get a little bit out of those trades, out of those moves. So that still worked out quite well, guys. So I can't really complain much. Of course, not like it was in October, but we will see what I can do next year. Okay, so it would be already next year pretty much. It's unbelievable, end of the year already. So now, guys, quickly just want to show you the main view of what was happening. As you can see, that's huge move. Gold reached to 100, and another drop. So this is where we right now, guys. I'm just not going to like look through all of it. So just okay, 4 hour time frame right now. Where I am is, I'm placing orders usually both directions. Sometimes it could be just one direction, but usually spending orders, and it doesn't really matter which way the market moves as long as it moves enough to get profit, right? So as you can see, guys, at the previous, of course, right now everybody's asking where it's going to go. Is it going to continue picking up gold, right? Is it's already had its maximum, so it took all the previous stops. Now it's over 2,000 wherever. Let's see what the price was. The highest price, 214,263. So would it go any further up? That's the main question, right? So now end of the year, I still believe that gold should a little bit drop more before it will go for again these highs, because we still have well, with interest rate decision, right? Because it's reacting quite a lot on the news from America, as we know about the situation, war in Gaza and Israel. So that was quite a bit of impact on gold. But as it kind of like started to be a little bit off the picture, gold, what now, right? So of course, with all of the situation, gold should continue going up with all this instability in the world. But who knows, is it going to continue react on this or not? But still, America is still a interest rate decision, so mostly the speculations about they should start to cut, and that's dollar gets a bit weaker. But end of the year, we know about all this rallies all the time. Something's happening, big moves with this low volatility and high volatility. So end of December, who knows what's going to be happening, because it's unpredictable. Gold has these crazy moves, right? So just technical picture, that's why I'm showing you guys, because technical, it's plus minus with all these levels. So what I want to show you is that we had a bit of a triangle, and the gold, the market tried to push the price out from the triangle, go a little bit high, but you see we closed out with not continue our way. So kind of a little bit started to go down. Maybe just people are closing the profits because the end of the year, and they just think that they had enough for now and just see what's going to be happening. But basically, when it came out from this triangle, it should continue the way up, right? We do know the movements. We have about let's say 500 pips. So from here, expectation another 500 something, or you could be half. Usually I expect half or full, right? But more half than the full length. So that's why, as you can see, it's kind of moved to 50 pips and possibly had enough. And which also could be kind of like a false breakout when they are falsing the big players, falsing the markets, the retailers, the smaller traders, and showing like, yeah, it looks like we're going to continue, but really we're not. But on the other hand, it stays above the triangle. We see, guys, if this move would come back exactly inside the triangle, I would be in like more like 99% saying that it should continue the way down. At this moment, it's very, very tricky. Is it stays above, but didn't continue all the way up, but stays still a little bit above of our border of this triangle. So that's why if we will go back in here with opening the market, then I would say again 99% we will go down. But if it stays above, then it's 50-50. Okay. So the other point, as you can see, guys, I have here also. That's how I started the uptrend channel, and we had a bit of a breakout. You see here, and the market also, the price stays underneath that trend level. But with this is a little bit of also tricky. It's not always 100. Well, okay, even not 90%. Let's say accuracy. Well, can't see much. Okay, let's do a day time frame. So you see, you can move. Basically, we can move the levels, let's say this way, right? So if we will move it that way, that means we are inside this channel, and that kind of shows us a continuation of uptrend. And we also can move it this way and move those levels, let's say higher, or even like this higher. It's all plus minus, but I still prefer, guys, to leave it originally as it was, because this has a little bit more of touches, right? So I have here roughly that, but you see in here I do have a one touch, another touch, and a quite a bit of you see, if I will move just a little bit up where it was, right? We had a really nice concentration right above this level when it started to break out, and then tried to come back but didn't jump in, and still all of this stayed again underneath this level. So basically, technically, this picture, even though this also looks like upside down head and shoulders and a triangle, right, which broke up, but staying below this channel gives me a bit more ideas of the possible gold should go down. Okay, so it should still go a little bit further down. This is roughly another channel, if this is going to be actually the top, because like I'm saying, we don't know yet, guys. Right now it closed out like this, yes, and on a daily time frame, if you look at a pin bar in here, but it's a bit of a green pin bar, so yeah, it might still try to go high. But this kind of technical pictures for me at this moment is I'm kind of a bit bearish on gold. Okay, so I will be looking more towards going down. So that's it, guys. Just a quick overview for now. We will see again how this week perform, and maybe I will be looking at see what's the yearly overlook of the gold expectation for 2024. But like I'm saying, guys, the way I trade is, it doesn't really matter which way it goes. That's why I do like my technical overview, because you see it gives you really nice entry points like this one we have here, right? And this triangle was really nice. We got this move. We got pretty much all those moves. The only I missed this big move up, but I still had some. I was sending some orders of sell on it. I think I had actually instant sales on this move, so I got a little bit of this, but didn't expect this huge really move of it was all at night. I remember I just had a quick eye. I was like so tired, and I was just like, I have to see what is happening, because I was still sending my daily setups at night, and I was still placing those orders at night. For me, it's nighttime. For some of you guys in the world, it could be different time zones, but I'm London. So it's a London time, so it's midnight. And plus about 1 a.m. So yeah, and didn't expect that's huge, because usually with the opening market, I'm looking at it and I'm waiting for a little bit of consolidation to place the orders, and then we had this huge jump, but got a bit of on the way down. So yeah, that's why, yes, I do like my technical overviews. It does work, but can't rely 100% on it. Okay, so I need to look at other circumstances. So that's it pretty much, guys. I want to say also, quite often you asking me which brokers I use, guys. You can find the brokers in the description under this video. Also, For example, if you would want to join maybe with one of the brokers A markets, just want to quick tell you guys there is a special offer from them right now, the new year. You can deposit like $300 or more and get up to 17% on your deposit and increase cashback or a 20% discount on ECN fees. So you see, guys, this is run out on 31st of December. So you can have a look. I know, of course, you need to check where you are located in which country, because, with brokers, you need to have to check which country you're from, if they accept you or not. But at this moment, there is a special offer. I do work with A markets also. I trade with them too. I have one of the accounts with them. I don't have only one account with only one broker. I do have with few, and A markets is one of them. And have been trading with them and been a partner for quite a while. So yes, they're reliable. At this moment, I can say yes. No problems depositing or withdrawing the profits. It's all working quite well, and trading also. There are some good about trading with markets also quite fast. They don't have sleeperage very often. Some like brokers I walked away is like they sleep through the price. You put one price and they like move it, and you don't like not the price you want. But with A markets, I don't experience this as much. I mean, it can happen, of course, when you have news happening, but other than that, and pretty much no restrictions of on trading on like news and using EA. So, and moving like your stop loss. Some brokers also not allow you to move too close to the price. So yeah, the A markets is one of the brokers I do like to trade with. And of course, don't forget to join through my link in the description of this video, guys. Okay. So that's it for now, guys. And I want to also wish you happy holidays. Whoever is celebrating Christmas, so of course, happy Christmas, and enjoy. And of course, as usual, I want to just wish our world happiness and peace. Okay, so just peace and no more wars. Okay, so that's my main wish every year. Pretty much, I wish that we will have a peace finally everywhere in the world. So see you in my next video. Hopefully, guys, I will be able to do it on the weekend, but I can't promise. But we'll definitely I will see you in the new year. Okay, after New Year celebrations. Okay, guys. So in January. So yeah, that's it for now, and bye everyone. Bye.